So let's go ahead, jump right in and go take a look. Hello, welcome to Natalie's Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. So let's go ahead, jump right in and go take a look.
All right, so today we are going to be making a wreath for fall. So these are some of the florals that I had and a few that I bought uh, at home. Is it at home? Yeah, at home is having a sale. So I bought a few things there. I had this wreath that I got in a estate sale. I believe it looks like it's from Hobby Lobby, but I got it from a estate sale for I think $1 or $2. And then this garland was from At Home, and all of their spring florals are 75% off. And they consider this spring. So I purchased this. To me, it does look spring, yes, but we can make it look fall as well. So that's what we're going to do today. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap this garland around the wreath form, and I'm going to use the um, stems. What are they called? Chenille stems? That's not what they're actually called, but that's what I'm going to call them. And I'm just going to wrap those down so that the garland is stuck to that wreath form. Now, depending on what sort of garland you use, obviously this will work differently. It would be best if I would have put the ties on the middle strand of the wreath form all the way around, but I didn't, so that's okay. And then here, when I'm done doing all of them, I am going to go back and just make sure everything is sitting right. So here it was a little loose and it was sitting off to the side a little bit. So I just was fixing that and making it look a little bit better. And then we're going to start adding our florals. This was a piece that I got from At Home. I believe I paid $2 or so for it. Again, everything there, floral spring, was 75% off. So right here, I'm not going to actually connect it. I'm just trying to get an idea of how I want this to sit because there's going to be lots of different stems that I use. So it's not all just this yellow little bushy looking things. It's going to be all sorts of different stems. So I'm just cutting them all kind of near the end so that I have a place either to wrap them or glue them. And then I grabbed the rest of the florals that I found in my stash that have some yellows, oranges, and reds. These were some leaves that I had or that were on a wreath that I bought from Walmart, I believe 2 years ago. And I'm still picking pieces off of it. So it was a good deal. I think it was $9.99, or actually it was half of that. So it would have been $4.98. No, $5.98. No, I know how to count. $4.98. And so I've just been picking pieces off of that. So I've got these leaves, and then I'm putting the little yellow bushy things, and then those red flowers to the right, those are from Dollar Tree. And then those other picks were from various pieces that I had in that Walmart pick. And then I'm going to use this wire to connect this welcome sign from Dollar Tree. I kind of forgot about the welcome sign. I actually wanted it to say hi, but I didn't have a way to make that work. So I'm going to use this welcome sign that I had on a different wreath from last year. So I just pulled that off of that wreath and I'm going to put it on this wreath. I am using wire here because I don't want to be able to see it. And if your hands can put up with it, it would be best to put wire to connect all of those florals as well. But my hands couldn't do that. So I hot glued most of those flowers in. And then I am putting a piece of wire up at the top of the L so that it hangs straight and doesn't lean forward because it was wanting to lean forward. So it's holding on the left and the right and then in the middle on that L. And I'm just getting all of the sizing proper so it looks okay. And that's what we've got. So I've got this adorable little welcome sign. And I think it's all the right colors for fall. And I don't have it out there right now. To me, it's too early. I have to wait at least until September 1st. But if you're eager, you could put this out now and not be offended. I would not be offended by it. So that's what I have come up with today. And of course, you could use whatever florals you wanted or had. And I thank you so much for stopping by Natty's Crafts today. I sure hope you give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Go ahead and appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Y'all have a great one.